recently completed the internship project at Ivy Professional School, where I have gained the experience how to work on large data set.
And recently, I participated in Ivy's Advanced Excel Internship program, and the entire experience was amazing. Not only I've gained a lot of self-confidence as a beginner in the data analytics, data science world, but working with raw data from scratch, preparing innovative dashboards, and presenting my PPT on a public platform, the entire experience had been a great learning for me.
I have recently completed Excel Internship from Ivy Professional School. In this internship, I've come across and learned many things such as making of charts, innovative dashboards, and making proper PowerPoint presentations. Moreover, the internship also has a systematic work culture.
Hi guys, I am Anirabha. Recently, I have completed the internship program of IvyProSchool School in Excel. It was a great learning experience for me. My mentors and the program taught me how to analyze the data, how to present the data aptly as per business perspective within deadline. The best thing about the program was professional guidance of our teachers.
Hello everyone, being an aspiring data scientist and also as a fresher, it is a very good platform for me as I have learned a lot from here how to deal and handle with big data sets.
Hi, I recently completed Advanced Excel Internship from Ivy. As a part of the internship, we were asked to create a dashboard from scratch. Along with polishing my Excel skills, I also learned how to make better PPTs, how to record a video and present it to a larger audience.
Hi, I have recently completed an internship project at IvyProSchool and I have gained first-hand experience on how to work with large datasets. It was real-time exposure with deadlines and it was an excellent learning opportunity.
Recently, I was a part of an internship of data dashboarding and visualization at Ivy Professional School. As a part of the internship, I gained first-hand knowledge of how to deal with larger datasets, prepare dashboards and storytelling. Through this internship, I also learned how to strictly follow the deadlines.
The Ivy Excel Internship program helped me to gain a real-life experience on how to analyze the raw data and present it. And for this, I would like to thank Ivy Professional School and my mentor Ishani ma'am.
I'm really grateful to Ivy and my mentor Ishani ma'am and Pratik sir for providing this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you, Ishani ma'am and Ivy Professional School for this amazing experience.
I would like to thank Ishani ma'am and Giga sir for helping me out during this internship.
I would like to thank IvyProSchool School and my mentors to give me this opportunity. Thank you.
Literally thanks to the entire team for arranging such a nice internship program of Advanced Excel.
Thank you so much to Ishani ma'am and the whole Ivy team for the professionalism with which the whole internship was conducted.
I would like to thank Ishani ma'am for this opportunity and for providing valuable feedback and guidance throughout the internship.
I'm really grateful to Ishani ma'am for giving me this golden opportunity to work as an intern. Thank you.